Alright, here's something almost everyone has felt before. You're talking to someone, and suddenly your body feels a little off. Your hands feel weird, your posture feels stiff, and you're not sure why. It happens, and most of the time, it's just small body language habits we don't notice. Today, we'll go through a few of those habits, the ones that can make you look awkward without even realizing it, and how to fix them calmly and naturally. Before we start, just remember, looking awkward doesn't mean something is wrong with you. It's usually just your body reacting to a bit of social pressure, nothing serious, and everything here is easy to improve. First, stiff posture. Sometimes when we feel unsure, our body freezes. We stop moving our shoulders, our arms, even our face. The problem is, this can make you look tense. Make small, natural movements. Shift your weight a little, relax your shoulders, or nod lightly. Simple, gentle movement makes you look more comfortable. Next, uncertain hands. Some people hide their hands, some keep touching their face or clothes, and some don't know what to do with them at all. Keep your hands relaxed around your midsection. Use them only when you need to, not constantly. Small, calm gestures look confident and natural. Eye contact is another big one. Too little eye contact can make you seem unsure, but staring too much can also feel uncomfortable for the other person. Use simple timing. Look at someone for about 2 to 3 seconds, then look away briefly, then back again. It keeps the conversation balanced and natural. Another sign is fidgeting. Tapping your foot, touching your face, adjusting your clothes. All these are small signals of nervous energy. Focus on slowing your breathing and keeping your hands still. When your breath steadies, your body follows. Last, shrinking yourself. This is when you curl your shoulders in or make your body look smaller than it needs to be. Open your posture slightly. Roll your shoulders back just a little. Lift your chest gently, not too much, just enough to look relaxed and present. So yeah, most awkward body language isn't a big deal. They're just small habits your body picked up over time. And once you adjust them, you don't look different. You just look more comfortable being yourself. You're not awkward. You're human.